you feel comfortable your wife is paying house bills, buying groceries at end of the month because she is earning a lot of money than yours, but you have to take the responsibility as the man of the house because your wife will end up disrespecting you. You know that even you are earning less money, but you have to do duties as the man of the house. Even you raise your voice, your wife will hear you that you are the man of the house because you are the man of the house by actions, by not being talking only, because the man of the house showing by actions. Don't take advantage that your wife is earning a lot of money, she have to take those responsibility. It's better if she can take the responsibility, but you can do something, contribute something. Even your wife, you have got a project or something, you have to contribute as the man of the house to show that I'm the head of the house. It's better because some of the things, guys, when your wife being disrespecting you, or your wife sometimes is bring money you don't know, maybe some of the men are sponsor her so she can buy groceries or to what you don't know what's going on. So it's better to buy for yourself, you understand? Even you are earning less, guys, but you are the head of the house, you have to contribute.